Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're going to be talking about Nordic American Tankers. Is it a buying opportunity? And in this video, everything is just my opinion. None of this should be taken as financial advice. But right now, the stock looks like it's uptrending. I have a zero position in Nordic, and I don't plan to take a position simply because I see very limited upside. I do see the stock continuing to move to the upside simply because the charts are telling me, but I don't think it's going to move to the upside in a massive way. I think, a best case scenario, you guys get back to maybe $7 ish. That's my opinion anyways. So around here you could 50-60% your money, and then there's also the dividend payment that's coming up here very soon. They're also having an earnings date coming out here very soon, so keep that in mind. That's probably the reason why the stock is gone up lately. The downtrend is over, the bottom is in, and the stock, I think, will continue to move to the upside. At least that's what the charts are telling me. Things could change in a matter of minutes, but for now, I think the stock price is heading back higher. According to my research, the CEO just recently, around like 4 something, he bought more stock, so I think the stock will head higher. Could be wrong, but we'll see, because that's what the charts are telling me. The charts are telling me that the stock is moving up. MACD has been is in a bullish momentum. RSI is at 55, which is bullish and has room to move to the upside, because until it gets to around 80, it's not considered oversold. Right now, it's in like bullish momentum, and the volume is coming in too, so I think the stock price is going to head up higher. I could be wrong. We'll see what happens. And oil is also kind of hitting a barrier around $40, so that is a bullish sign. And on top of that, super tanker rates bounce back, so everything seems bullish right now. The only thing I don't like about this company is the market cap, $681 million, when there's companies out there like DHT, which has a market cap of $788 million, and it's way bigger and better, way bigger company than Nordic. Nordic has more retail investor, more retail investors excitement, like because of Jeremy. More retail investors are looking at Nordic rather than DHT or even TK Tankers, which has a market cap of $442 million, which is ridiculous, by the way. And then there's Scorpio Tankers, which is a market cap of $748 million. So I say Nordic is kind of expensive for, considering that there's companies out there that have similar market cap, but they are a much bigger company. They make more profits and they pay better dividends, I think. Yeah, they pay better dividends. So, I think Nordic is kind of expensive, but Nordic, there's a lot of retail investors attachment, and right now is looking very bullish. So I think that the stock price is going to head up higher regardless of market cap or whatever. I think all these tanker stocks are going to head up higher. So could it be a good time to buy? It might be. Not financial advice. Am I going to buy any? No, probably not. I'm actually kind of just camping Solo. If Solo drops all the way down to $2.50, I want to have the capital available to buy Solo if it does. I don't know if it will. I don't know what Solo is going to do, but I'm really bullish on this company, and I want to have the cash available if the stock price drops to $2.50. I've already owned quite a bit of shares, so I'm not in the mood. Like, I still think that this is a fantastic area for risk versus reward. Of course, it can go down to $2.50, which, at that point, I'm buying more. And it also could go down to $1, which would only happen if the stock market crashes, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, so I mean, that's what I'm saving my money for. I'm not really gonna be, yeah, so that's just my 2 cents on the thing. Arrow is down 6 cents after hours. Ford up 32 cents. People were saying, oh, if Solo doubles in price, they'll be worth more than Ford. No. You guys gotta look at market cap, not share price. Market cap. Anybody that don't look at market cap, you should really do your research, because market cap matters. It's so important. Outstanding share is $3.9 billion. So every dollar Ford goes up, it's $3.9 billion. Ford is the number one investment in Robinhood, because Robinhood investors only look at the share price. They see $3, they see $6.36, and they're like, oh, this thing's going to the moon. This thing's going to $10. I have a Ford car. I love Ford car. And, that's probably the biggest reason why a lot of Robinhood investors are invested into this company, because they don't look at market cap and they look at the share price only. And at the end of the day, will big money come in and pump up Ford stock? If Ford executes, they'll have to. It doesn't matter. They have to put money into it. If Ford turns around a miracle and becomes extremely profitable, big money will reward the stock. So at the end of the day, big money moves this company. So that, be aware of that. Could it go back to $10? Yeah, you could double your money, absolutely. But Ford has to execute, and right now, I don't think institutional investors and big money is interested to make a bunch of Robinhood investors a lot of money. Because there's just so many Robinhood investors in it. 1 million Robinhood investors in Ford. That is insane. Plug Power is up 5 cents after hours. Today was a nice run, 34 cents. Tesla up 1.32%. After hours up $1. $1 on Tesla is a lot too. It's like $200 million every dollar Tesla moves up. Automotive after hours is up 13 cents. If automotive keeps going, like I said, I don't think Solo will ever drop below automotive's market cap. So as long as automotives continue to move up, it will make Solo look like a deal. The more automotives moves up, the more of a deal Solo stock looks, because I don't believe automotive deserves a higher market cap than Solo. But that's just my opinion. At the end of the day, big money or retail investors, at the end of the day, investors determine the stock price. So if there is enough PR for automotive, if Jeremy came out and said, I'm buying automotive, I believe in automotive, blah blah blah, the stock will probably skyrocket $10 and be valued a lot more than it is right now. So Jeremy controls a significant amount of retail investors and possibly some big money. So if Jeremy comes out and talks positive, or Graham Stephan comes out and talks positive about automotive, I think the stock price could skyrocket like in a massive way. Blink charging, Blink charging, it's like you're investing into the gas station of the automotive of the EV space. So if you believe that the EV space is going to be bigger, way bigger in the future, Blink would be considered a discount at these prices. Long term, it could go down further. It could go down to $2, $2.50, which would make it a steal of an opportunity. I don't know if it will, but there's always that possibility. NEO is down 5 cents after hours. I still think NEO is overvalued. You just look at the fundamentals, it's overvalued. But big money, for some reason, wants to pump up NEO, or rather keep it at least at these stock prices. I can't control what rich people think, and I don't understand it. I don't really understand why big money likes NEO so much, but they do, and that's the reality of it. Spartan Energy I'm surprised that this thing didn't go up today, but it didn't. So whatever. Taurus acquisition. I'm not touching this stock. I don't care if anything goes to like $15. I might buy some, but I'm not touching this stock at $23 because there's so many companies to buy right now that this seems less of an attractive investment than, or rather day trade than there's other companies out there like Spartan, right? Workhorse. I wouldn't touch Workhorse at this stock price, but big money I don't care. I mean, maybe they think this is undervalued. Maybe the USP deal comes out, but let's just compare, right? Workhorse has the UPS deal. Solo sells to the world. Right now, if Solo can send out cars, the stock will go up. Solo will produce way more vehicles than Workhorse. Workhorse, every vehicle they probably make more margin and more revenue for each van they sell, but they can only produce 300 or 400 vans per year, while Electromag can produce 20,000. Yeah, they'll sell each car for less, but they'll sell more, and their revenue might be even more than Workhorse, and Workhorse is valued at $1.5 billion. So that's why I think Solo deserves a higher market cap, especially once they start delivering units to their customers. Hopefully that's soon. Wells Fargo is down 3 cents after hours. Not too much to say about that. Delta Airlines up 4 cents after hours. It was only. I'm surprised that it didn't go down more today. American Airlines just kind of traded sideways today. Carnival traded sideways today. Lithium Global X Lithium sideways action. Aurora under pressure. I think Afria might surpass Aurora in market cap here. Neo Lithium today was just trading sideways. Oh man. Oh yeah, just trading sideways there. No, but the volume was pretty decent. AMD is probably going to trade sideways for a while. Nvidia had a pullback, which caused AMD to have a pullback. Nvidia and AMD kind of trade the same. I think AMD deserves a higher market cap, just to match Nvidia. Valens Growworks. I'll talk more about this in another video. I did make a small position in this company. Liberal Health Science down half a penny today. Green Thumb Industries is up 20 cents. Acreage Holdings is just kind of trading sideways. The SPY today was up $4.08, 1.3%. I'm still hoping to hit 52-week high soon, but seems to have a big barrier around $320. Largo, I don't know why I have Largo up here. Could be an opportunity, not financial advice at all. Green Power Motor Corporation Company. I was just looking at this. I'd say wait for a pullback if you want to buy this, but if it might not pull back, it just might keep going up. I don't know what people big money is gonna, or people in big money, retail investors are gonna do, or even institutional. I don't know what they're gonna do, but yeah, Solo is kind of a little disappointed, but I think that okay, it won't load up for me. But the Solo investors are, going down on Robinhood. I was hoping Robinhood, there would be more investors, but it's going down a little bit. It's just kind of like stuck in the range of around 49,000 investors. I was hoping you know, Robinhood investors would pick it up more. But I think it's the car. I think that Robinhood investors look at the electromagnetic car and they're like, I don't know if I want to invest into that, you know? That's what they're probably thinking. But Ford, oh yeah, Ford, I love Ford. Look at the price, so cheap, $6.30. The market today was green, after hours a little bit red, but I think it's just, no, I still think it's the stock market is heading higher, but that's just my opinion. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye!